In this video, I'm going to show you an alternate way to add and multiply fractions with the same denominator, but using this tray to keep all of the materials organized. Okay, so let's say we have a problem of 2/10 plus 4/10. So I built my 2/10, and in my tray, I built my 4/10. And we can slide them together to add them up. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/10. Now if we are multiplying fractions, let's try that with a multiplication problem. Let's do 3/10 times 3. So here we have 3/10 once, three-tenths twice, and 3/10 four times. I'm sorry, 3/10 three times. So to add them together, or to multiply them, I should say, we just slide them together.